The scheme layout is as shown in the figure. Configure component counters, conveyor lines, and 7 to 15-inch mixed component reel intelligent warehouses. Latent AGVS transport component reels to the feeding port. Robot arms perform automatic loading. Average loading efficiency, 6 seconds per component reel. Industrial cameras automatically capture images, read codes, and assign storage locations. Returned component reels are transported to the fully automatic X-ray component counter by latent AGVS. Robot arms perform automatic loading. Component reels are transported to the component counting area via belt conveyor. Automatic X-ray component counting. Component reel information is uploaded to the system and the corresponding labels are printed. Robot arms automatically pick up labels and apply them precisely. Average component counting and labeling efficiency, 12 seconds per reel. After labeling completion, robot arms place the component reels on the inbound belt conveyor. Wheels height and deformation are detected with images captured and codes read. Robot arms pick up the component reels and transport them to the storage locations. Robot arms receive the outbound instruction, pick up the outbound component reels. Outbound component reels are automatically imaged, code-read, and relabeled. Robot arms place the component reels into the outbound bin. Non-conforming component reels are routed to the NG bin. Full bins are transported via the lower roller conveyor line. Bin robots pick up the full bins and transport them to the production line. Bin robots replenish empty bins and place them onto the upper conveyor line.